What kind of food should I feed my 3-week-old puppy?
Hey there, pet owners! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important question many puppy owners have. What kind of food should I feed my 3-week-old puppy? Feeding your puppy the right food at this stage is crucial for their health and development, so let's dive right in.
The importance of proper nutrition.
Proper nutrition plays a vital role in the growth and well-being of your 3-week-old puppy. During this stage, puppies are transitioning from their mother's milk to solid food. While their nutritional needs are changing, it's essential to provide them with a balanced diet that supports their growth.
Transitioning to solid food.
At 3 weeks old, your puppy is still in the early stages of weaning. They are just starting to explore solid food, but their primary source of nutrition is still their mother's milk. It's important to note that the weaning process should be gradual to ensure a smooth transition.
Puppy formula or mother's milk replacement.
During this transitional period, you can begin introducing a puppy formula or mother's milk replacement. These products are specifically formulated to provide the necessary nutrients for young puppies. Consult your veterinarian to select a high-quality puppy formula that suits your puppy's needs. They will guide you on the appropriate feeding schedule and quantities.
Soft and moistened food.
As your puppy continues to grow, you can gradually introduce soft and moistened puppy food into their diet. Look for commercial puppy food that is specifically formulated for young puppies. These diets are designed to meet their unique nutritional requirements, including the right balance of protein, fat, and carbohydrates.
Feeding schedule and portion control.
Establishing a regular feeding schedule is important for your puppy's development. At 3 weeks old, you should aim to feed your puppy small, frequent meals throughout the day. Start with 4 to 5 meals daily and gradually reduce the frequency as they get older. When it comes to portion control, it's best to follow the guidelines provided on the puppy food packaging. Keep in mind that each puppy is different, so consult your veterinarian to determine the appropriate portion size based on your puppy's breed, size, and overall health.
Ensuring hydration.
Hydration is essential for your puppy's well-being. Alongside their solid food, make sure your puppy has access to fresh water at all times. Although they still receive hydration from their mother's milk or milk replacement, providing water helps them transition to independent drinking habits.
Monitoring your puppy's health and growth.
As you introduce new foods and monitor your puppy's diet, it's crucial to observe any changes in their health and growth. Keep an eye out for signs of digestive issues, allergies, or any other adverse reactions. If you notice anything concerning, consult your veterinarian promptly. Congratulations on taking the first step in ensuring your 3-week-old puppy receives proper nutrition. Remember, the transition to solid food should be gradual, and it's essential to provide them with a balanced diet that meets their nutritional needs. Consult your veterinarian for personalized guidance and monitor your puppy's health and growth closely. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.